But we want to start noticing in our own selves, where's my freedom? Am I stuck here having to perform kind of like a trained seal? Which I'm exaggerating, because sometimes it is very nice, like you say. Sometimes it is very nice. It makes a nice connection with someone that you're getting what they're saying, you're smiling. But are we trapped in it? A lot of times we're trapped in having to please the other person. This shows up in lovemaking as, I can't just relax here, I have to make sure you're having a good time, instead of, wow, I could just really take my time to receive here. For men and women. I just receive, be in myself, because we think the fact that I'm listening has to do with whether I'm doing this stuff or not, but actually it's an openness in the whole body. I'm present for you. It's on an energetic level, isn't it? So it's not to say to do this or not do it. It's just to make you aware that, help us start an awareness of, am I really present or am I performing? Because that shows up in lovemaking too. Am I really present here, just a human being in my body, trying to share a little bit of love here for this 10 minutes we're going to be on this date together, or out in the real world, you know, you meet somebody for coffee off the internet, it's 45 minutes to an hour. I'm going to try to just share a little love, whether I probably will never see you again, right? Most dates, probably will never see you again. People in this room, probably never see you again. Maybe we will, but the likelihood is small, right? So can we just open up and share while we're here? That would be a very tantric way of being. Just going to try to really sit here in my body, receive your essence, who you are, if I can see your aura, if I'm blessed with that kind of talent, and just breathe together. Share a little stuff with two human beings meeting. Like you were saying, Ting, that's very rare for two human beings to just meet. We don't really meet when we're dating either. We don't really meet. We have our check pad and we're like seeing if they meet, fix it or not. And if they don't meet the criteria, we're throwing them out. And maybe we have a story for our roommate when we get home. Oh God, you should have seen that one. And this is not creating love on the planet or in our own hearts or in the people we meet.